Welcome to the Carbonite Jedi, where the Force will be with you always. Ben Burtt, sound designer for Star Wars, Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi, made some of the most memorable noises of our childhood. Want to know how he did it? The sound of Darth Vader's breathing was recorded by putting a microphone inside a scuba tank regulator. Chewbacca's signature Wookiee gargle is a combination of bear, walrus, lion, and badger sounds. The sound of Vader's pod door closing in Empire is reportedly the sound of a whole block of Alcatraz cell doors slamming shut. Did you know?